Good morning, class. This is Sonal, your social science teacher. I hope you all are doing very good. Today, we will continue block 2 changes in a family and we will study last topic S4 of this block. Be ready with all your essentials and please sit with your partner. Our aim of today is to be able to give reasons why it is necessary to take care of those who are differently abled. Now, identify and answer what does this symbol mean. You can answer to your partner. So, this is the symbol that is used for those who may have difficulty in walking, hearing, speaking, or seeing. And such person is called differently abled or physically challenged. And today we will learn about people who are physically challenged. This is your topic for today, caring for the differently abled. And physically challenged means a person who may have difficulty in walking, hearing, speaking, or seeing. Now you need to open your S4. Everyone, open your S4 and read this story. You can read this with your partner and discuss the questions with your partner. You need to discuss these questions after reading this story. So I'm reading it for you. Please listen to this carefully because you need to answer these questions. Let's start. Ritu was eagerly waiting for her grandmother to come back home. Her grandmother had met with an accident last month and had been in the hospital. Today she was coming home from the hospital. She was very upset to see her grandmother in a wheelchair. When she opened the door, she could see that her grandmother was in a lot of pain. Ritu decided to help her parents in taking care of grandma in every possible ways. She would spend a lot of time with her. She did not want her grandmother to stay alone in the room every day. Ritu told her mother, "Please shift grandma to my room. I want to spend more time with her. I want her to be happy and comfortable." So this is the story. After reading this, you need to discuss the questions written below. You can discuss them with your partner. Now you need to answer that why was Ritu's grandmother in a wheelchair? How did Ritu help her? Why did Ritu offer to share her room with her grandmother? So what's your answer? Ritu's grandmother had met with an accident and now uses the wheelchair. This is wheelchair. Ritu's grandmother had met with an accident and now she uses the wheelchair. Ritu helps her by bringing things for her. Ritu saw that it was difficult for her mother to take her grandmother's wheelchair into the bathroom. That is why she offered to share her room with her grandmother. Why Ritu agreed to offer to share her room with her grandmother? Because she saw that it was difficult for her mother to take her grandmother's wheelchair into the bathroom. That's why she offered to share her room with her grandmother. Now answer. What kind of problems does people who have difficulty in walking, hearing or seeing have, and why is it necessary to take care of them? So those who have difficulty in walking, hearing or seeing are not able to do many things on their own as easily as the others. So it is important to take care of them because they are unable to do some of the things on their own. such person may need extra care and love. So why we need to help people who are differently abled? Because they are not able to do some things on their own, to show that we care for them, because our support or encouragement helps them to achieve what they want. And what is encouragement? Encouragement means giving someone motivation, or giving someone, showing positive attitude towards other people, or giving someone power or motivation to do the things that they find difficult to do. This is called encouragement. Or we can say that pushing someone to do the things that are difficult for them. Now answer, how can we help a differently abled person? What's your opinion? What will you do? You can answer, but don't skip answering. Okay, you have to answer. What will you do to help a differently abled person? We must help them in all the possible ways and show our love and care to them. And what can we do for them? We should not make them feel different, and we should keep them before us. Means give them chance to do things before you. You should not do like this. You should not keep them behind. Keep them before you. Give them chance before you. And involve them in every possible game. Like in this picture we can see. We should behave them like this, not like this. Just because they are differently abled, just because they are special. So we can do such things. And you can also suggest some ways to help a differently abled person. You can answer, think and answer. How can we help? So this is about caring for the differently abled. After watching this, you need to do PQ1 and 4, finish your S4 and read the topic. And one more thing, you need to make a list of some ways that would make things easier for those who are differently abled. Okay? List some ways that would make things easier for differently abled people. And think and answer why our body parts are important for us and why do we need them? What if any one of these body part is not be there? And what kind of difficulties you will face? And this is your S4. Question 1. Why was Ritu upset? How did Ritu help her grandmother? And answer that here you first you need to read this comic strip. This one boy is saying, let's play football. And the one with wheelchair is saying, but what about me? So you need to answer. This is a situation given. You need to answer. Do you think the children in the picture are taking care of their friends on the wheelchair? Why? Next, what do you think the children should do to make their friend happy? And question 1 is, why was Ritu upset? How did Ritu help her grandmother? If you have any doubt, you can ask. Do your work properly, because this is last topic of your last block. Okay, after this we will start revision. So please watch every video carefully, complete your work properly. If you have any doubt, you can ask. Take care everyone. God bless.